Welcome to End-to-End Machine Learning Project tutorial video. Without coding knowledge, you can build a sample machine model. Dog breed identification. Let's start. Step 1. We have to download 2 or more dog breeds photos from the internet. At least 10 different images on each dog breed. In this video, I have used 2 breeds, Bulldog and German Shepherd. Step 2. We have to create a training set and testing set data from the download dog breed images. You could see on the screen on the right side, testing data which are 20% of downloaded dog breed images, and left side training data, which are 80% of downloaded images. Step 3. Do Google engine search for Teachable Machine and click the first search result, and that will redirect to Teachable Machine site, where we could create a machine learning model. Teachable Machine, UI-based website for creating a machine learning model. No expertise or coding required. If you are not able to find out Teachable Machine site URL, don't worry, I have added a URL link in this video description. Once you are in Teachable Machine, click the Get Started button, and then next, click Image Project icon. Here is our playground. As a first step, we have to customize as per our dog breed identification model. First, change Class 1 name to German Shepherd, and Class 2 to Bulldog. Next, upload training data on each class, German Shepherd and dog breed. If you have taken more than 2 dog breeds images, then add one more class by clicking the button, Add a Class, and click Train the Model button. Once the system got training, we will see a preview screen on the right side window, the same as in this video. Upload a test data dog breeds image by using Choose Images from your files, or drag and drop here option in the screen. In the screen left side, German Shepherd, and right side Bulldog, predicted correctly by our trained model. Once you upload the images, uploaded each dog breed's images from test data, and verified it, our trained model shows 100% accuracy. This machine learning is called unsupervised classification model. Important steps followed in this video to build the machine model are not the same as the actual machine learning model building. We will see actual steps to build, train, and make it ready for production in upcoming videos on our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.